Yeah, this reach. What a sample, people.
Who never know them can get a baby? After you eat them food, you name Papa breed.
Doctor! What the doctor do?
Yo, Lando, prime time Lando, in the building. Shalom, shalom, lifestyle trucking, Jamaica running.
Shalom, shalom. What is it? It's your boy, Mr. Primetime Lander, and just by the title, you know what this all about. Yes, best of the best 2026. Listen, I literally just walked in, dedicated. I want y'all to see this today. I just walked in maybe 20 minutes ago. You hear? I sound hoarse, right? I mean, I had a blast. People. I had a blast. I'm gonna tell y'all about best of the best 2026. It was crazy in a good way. You hear how I sound? It definitely was raining, and we did not stop celebrating. I must say that. But I think you guys are gonna enjoy this video. We're gonna get into it. I went to best of the best with my dad, my uncle, and one of my good friends. But it was a blast. I enjoyed myself. The food was delicious, man. The food was busted. Let me tell you. I did have some food from one young lady. I can't remember her name, but you're gonna see it. That food was great. The food was great, and even if the food wasn't great, I was gonna buy from her anyways, just by her advertisement. She was so confident. She gave me a free sample. I don't know if that's the guilt trip gonna make me buy, but the food was good. Food was delicious. I will be getting up with her and duo in a later video for sure. But best of the best 26. Matter of fact, let's get into the video, y'all. Shalom, shalom, people. We are here. We here with the elders. Talk to the people, them.
Up and running, best of the best.
Talk to the people, them.
We got Bacon in the back there.
Say something, Bacon.
Say something, Bacon. Say something. On the other side, who we have? The great Andre.
Cool.
Yeah, heading out.
All right, people. Today we are taking in best of the best. They got some great acts on there. I'm definitely gonna try to give y'all a good show so y'all can see. But you know how YouTube copyright goes, so they're gonna be in between bits and pieces. But I'll do the best I can. All right.
So you think said?
All right, we're on the grung, people. We're on the grung. Last year, when we came here last year, we came later just to avoid the sun. This year we came early, so we can get a good spot. Boss, losing hot already.
Yeah.
Hold on, funny hot. All right, no, nobody not down here like that, but we're gonna get a good spot. Yeah. All right, people. Don't look too bad. The Miami Heat Stadium. Last year was down there. They move it, man. I don't let win there last year. Down there. You're right. Andre, you're right. That's the Heat Stadium right there, people. Let's jaywalk. I did, people. We're gonna walk straight through the traffic. I am, man. I am.
Nation, man.
Oh, 876. See that, people. VIP over there, people. Peasants down there.
I'm just joking. Anyone.
These lines are open, so you don't have to bungle behind each other.
All right. What's up, boss? Alright, them people, we live, you know. Get your flags. Get your flags.
We're trying to give them.
And take with the boss water. We bring in water, you know. Ah, watch this. Peas and peas
South Florida has a different type of energy. But when Best of the Best comes around, it feels like the entire Caribbean link up in a one place. From the food to the music, the flags waving in the air. This event right here is more than just a concert. It's a culture, family, and memories all wrapped up in one. What I really love about Best of the Best is how kid-friendly it is too. If you're Caribbean and your kid weren't raised fully around the culture, this yearly Memorial Day weekend event in Miami is one of the best ways to introduce them to it. The music, the vibe, the people, the food, the stalls. It gives them a real taste of where we come from. Jamaica me come from, you know. So yeah. Honestly, being around here remind me of my childhood. Running around stage shows and dance events while the adults vibe out to reggae, dancehall, soca, and everything Caribbean. So today, we outside enjoying the vibes, the food, the culture, and bringing y'all along with us. Shalom, shalom. Let's get into the vlog.
Me eat that so already, you know. I think I jerk face or something. Big up. You ready? Yo, Andre. Yo. You ready? Where's me? Have to buy some. Alright, give me some. Where am?
We have pepper shrimp, we have peanut.
No, I don't eat none of that. I don't eat no shrimp. Only thing me eat that peanut. I years me eat drops. Give me the drops. I years me eat this. Alright, how much of that? 3 puff. We have drops. The lady also me, she say if you record me, you have to buy one. I years me eat drops anyway, so that's what we're gonna do.
One off one.
You ready? People, she well live. I know you can't hear her, but she well live, people. Me eat, I think I eat here at Jerk first. Look at her, she well hype. Alright, people. This is a sample? Yo! Look at this, people. I get a sample. Hold on. She with me, partner. I style look, you have to buy no car. Somebody give you a free sample, you have to buy no car. They're nice. Yeah. Hold on. We have Esco, you know.
You want steam fetch on it?
It's good. Oh, you may want to park for you, man.
No, man, it's good. You
You want to taste it?
can get one regardless.
Yeah?
I say it could be again regardless. I work here.
I guess we are here, man. It's good, man. It's good.
Step up to the camera. Stay right there.
Yeah, this reach. What a sample, people. This is a sample. Do this look like a sample? Oh God. Festival.
I'm here for sing to the ladies. I'm sorry, so you need to last there. Your guy know eat it. I can sample this.
You know you meat.
Night meat now?
Yeah, you meat. Give that man a sample.
You night meat?
Hold on. Hold on. Come in, Andre. Oh, you have to tell me how the sample goes. Hold on. Andre, come here, Andre.
You have to tell them how the sample is.
Taste the bird.
It's tasty and they have pepper. It's nice.
Tastes good.
Tastes good.
Could I be looking far from?
You see, say you're a star, you know. Tell the camera something, man. Talk to the camera. Hold the mic.
When you come a best of the best, you have to come a San Nicole little kitchen. Because the real deal there, you know why? At the only kitchen like you sample something before you buy. And you say if it's not good, don't come back and don't pay for the food. And we not vex with you. But we sure say you have to come back. You see by next hour from this, we can't see nothing of pure darkness. People like a bees from cow meat. That's why you surround San Nicole, the real deal.
Alright, tell the people where is your location?
We are mobile. Anywhere. You just call us by number. We're ready for you. We cater anytime. At pan spot.
People, you hear that? Big up.
Yes, San Nicole little kitchen.
Whoa.
Anything. You only do
We're not dealing with pork anyways.
talk about the real deal. And you talk about Papa breed. You have to come at San Nicole kitchen. And who never know them can get a baby. After you eat them food, you name Papa breed.
No man, we need some more food. Alright, that is it. We have to buy food here, people. We can't just, with that type of energy, you know, see your food good. Yeah, we have to buy something here. And the food good, me taste it. Me have a sample. The food is good. Alright, I guess so. Alright, 3 minutes in. Yeah, that's good. They're gonna be good times.
Good time. Champagne, shots of tequila. When we click one finger, we make
Jaja.
everything from London, Bond Street, nothing never. I mean, Papa. One more time, sing it one time. One more time. I another level. Your love is not love with the devil. Cause I'm gonna keep falling low. To the devil. Tell when I never touch a puzzle. But I'm my fault, baby. I need to love you. Everything that I'm kind of shut up. But you never feel it. I know that I'm justice. I'm gonna need my damn brutal. People need my damn brutal. All that talk you're talking. Look. I see all different people inside of here. Anybody represent the Caribbean, put your right hand in the air. We're like this. We're like this. I'm gonna appreciate. Hug them. Hug them. Hug them and tell them I love you. Tell them I love you. Tell them I love you. Everybody, hold somebody hand. Hold somebody hand.
So much.
The rain is so much. Come on. What the doctor do? Come on. Look for the drone. No man, the drone is out of order. He's out of order, man. He's out of order.
This time. Some boy out the road on internet place, I never said no more. I must have found the girl like I'm from them place, I still say no more. I must have kissed the girl and we know the ways, I still say. Can I see everybody who love me and what's up, you get me name with that. I'm going to say, baby, you look like I want you. You look like I want you. You look like I want you.
You know the real people. Real people. Coming at me hard. Hear me the one? Doctor. Real people. Back, back.
When I'm progressing, what you know, more fire.
Oh, fire.
So what's the weather that's been sacrificed?
The boss is.
I will be early things and not see your eye. To Salam, the Lion, the battle, oh yeah. Red man, protect some for I and I. Simplicity be used. Many from the people come because they ignorant and not. Simplicity be used to some. Love people are seasoned right. Yo, simplicity be used to survive. Mr. Engineer, turn on the house some more. Alright, come on the phone over yet. Not shut up, stop rapping again. What are you doing? Who is it?
People. What your mama for the night, but you carry me through all the pain and suffering. I'm back. Fire! Come on, no man. Oh, we are do. They have the time of their life. So, I'm following everybody. I'm not a leader right now. Me no, we're supposed to walk right here. Alright people, show is done. Man, we soaked, we stood up in the rain for hours. For hours. Well, I say if you get paid, you would come out that rain, but then I get paid. Well, we enjoyed the show. We enjoyed the show. It was a beautiful show. Beautiful show. You know, Jamaica say if I stop by rain, they think they don't get catch. They think they're gonna catch cold. We're not catching no cold. It's a beautiful show, man. It gives a different light. See it there. Hold me look. Look at Dre shirt wet. Everybody wet.
We came out the other end. Look at this building. Look at this design. Traffic like crazy, people. Look at this. Stairs, people. Elevator packed, so we catching the stairs to go up. Come on. Andre, you should not be in the back, man. Rest, so one corner there. Go there, corner there.